Then the main file was index file, right? Index or Ajax? Ajax.html. Run this through live server. This 2-3 pages, static pages was loaded. It was working. Let me create contact function. Yeah, so all three of these pages was working for you. Now we need to work on this. JSON files. Okay. JSON files. To make it functional, first come to your JSON server. We remember we have made one in the API folder. You have one file data.json, right? In API folder, you have file data.json. This file you will copy and paste under JSON server. Data.json was there in the API. Copy and paste under JSON server folder. Data.json file was there under the file you kept data.json file. Data.json file was in which folder? API folder. You copied from there and you pasted in another folder. That folder name is called JSON server. Now go to the JSON server folder and open the CMD. Open the CMD in JSON server folder. Okay. Open the folder in JSON server folder. Open the CMD in JSON server folder. After that, you will write here JSON-server carefully. Okay, don't write anything. Write what you are writing. Meaningful should be there. So that's called JSON-server space minus minus watch space data dot JSON space minus minus port space 1234 any 4-digit number. JSON-server space minus minus watch space data dot JSON. Okay, enter. Check now. What is the port number? 1234 or 3000? 1234 should come port number because you have a specify here 1234. So user list, city list, product list, all three APIs list are here. Now this three API list we can give to Ajax. Ajax can fetch the data from here. Okay. So its server is started. Now we'll go to the next under the project folder under the Ajax files. We have here JSON1 and JSON2. JSON1 and JSON2. JSON1 says like it can read the data from server whenever you. Now for JSON1, which function you call as a JSON1 itself. So we have to write that function here under the ajax.js file. Write a function, give function name JSON1. Inside write again fetch, and under the fetch you have to give those URL. Which URL? User list. So write here call http://localhost 1234/user list. http://localhost:1234/user list. Next, come down, write call then response, and since data will come from in the JSON format, so response.json have to do. After that, you will write here dot then user array alert user array dot length. Click on JSON1 link and see what length is coming. Any length? Based on how many data you have inside. I'm getting 4. We can do here console.log also to check in console what is coming. Okay. Write console alert you remove and just array you do console.log array console.log as a array. So let us check now. Go to the browser, do right click, inspect, go to console, and then you click on JSON parts 1. It should display the length here. Element also it display 4. Once you click here, it is displaying here. Name, right? Now this data you will be displaying inside the page here. So let us come now. Beginning of the function, console is printed. Data is coming in console. Here. Do the right click, then click on this function. Go to the console. First you can clear all, and then click here. That array should come here, and that if you click on this arrow mark, should reflect like this. Next to that, now the data is coming in the form of array. We have to read from there and display the number of blocks inside the page. So for that, create a variable in the beginning where data equal to h2. h2 not required, let it be. Just create a variable data, declare a variable called data. Okay, now data variable is ready. Let's write here user array dot map. Dot map pass under the user variable and also keep a index. Go next and write data plus equal to, open the div tag, data plus equal to, close the div tag. Correct. Then after that, for this div tag, you can write some class, something called user or my user. Come inside, data plus equal to, open the p tag, Right inside the user of ID that is coming from the server. User of ID. Close the p tab. Second line, data plus equal to p tab open. Write again, user dot name plus close the p tab. Close the p tab. Okay, next after this, once the loop will over, you will write here. You have already function called print data. You will call the print data function, print data, and under the print data, you will send this data variable. You will send the data variable. In print data, you will send the data variable. We can send in that content syllabus. Yes, in WhatsApp only this. Not just so we can send. Okay, ready? Now let's go and check once. Click on this. This is showing the list of users. It should come in one line. CSS we have to write little. See where is the data? Data is available somewhere else. You face that, convert it into array. From array you convert it into HTML. And after that, using the document.getElementById, you send to the browser. That will print under the Ajax data block. Right? So look like this or something else. Printing. No. No. Hey? Why no? Check it. If you go in company and manager will ask happening, then they will say no, then they'll go home and don't come from tomorrow. It work, right? Your server is running or not? Server is running. Server is running, then why not here? This fetch method we have seen already many times. Okay. Do quickly. We have to do some homework after this. Try fast. You have 12 time data. 12 time you have 12 time income. You have 100 time income. You are coming. Yes. Check. You are written by me. I have asked you to do the following thing. What you doing? This file is called conflict. What is the function having? How is it, man? Your name is Ganesh. You can call Ramesh. You will listen. Your server is not running. If server is not running, then it will not work. If server is running, then it will work. I mean, my server is what you know. But I will take this company of your life server is running on. Then, so your life server. Some reason not your reason not life server. Reason that. No, right click anywhere and open with the live server. Please consider that. Code, show me the code. Go to that. Class. Data is ready. Go to that tab. Just 1, 2, 3 only. Go there everything import and that.js file. This what is the user key tag is open. You have not opened the gap properly. Come in. Okay. Coming around, right? Okay. Now write some CSS for this class. Write the CSS for this class. That is called. If you have not written, Rajsekhar, wait for some time. You will take the final file. Okay, I'll send you complete folder itself. There is certain time, no, to log in, right? Now write a class for my user. My user is a class right here. My user. display inline block, width somewhere 22%, text align center, text align center, padding from top 20 px, left right 0 px, bottom 20 px, background some color sky blue, then after that font size 25 px, that should look like this. Okay, but gap is not there. Margin we need to keep 2% margin and 20% width. 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 I'll send you ajax.js, ajax.html, all three files, ajax.css also. Please download it. Color is okay. Color wise is okay. So when you click on that, data will come and display. Check now, coming. Okay. Make it 4 in one line. Can you see for us 4 is coming? Do something margin related. Okay. Next, after that, we have one more URL that is called this one. That is called city list, right? City list. So go here again in ajax.js file. Which function you are calling? No. JSON2. Write next function. JSON2. Check now. Data is coming. First function I send in chat. Second function again. Create a variable data. Come inside. Write the fetch method. Oh, but fetch method you follow here, right? This fetch method. This is not Ajax method, right? Yes. In the second one, we can use the Ajax method, not the fetch method. Okay. Right. So fetch method is okay. Now in the second function, we have to read through the Ajax method. So get contact function is there, right? Copy same content and paste here. Same content from any function you can copy paste. Okay. Next, after this, you can write here, call URL. Which URL? Second URL, city list. We can add here second URL called city list. Call the second URL called city list. In the JSON2, you will call the city list. Okay, come down. Now it will give you complete text. Check once. Run the page and see anything is coming or not. JSON2 printing anything as a text. It's coming as a text. So from text we have to convert into array. Okay. So come this point. At this point you need to come now. So this data has read. Data after reading using the get method, it is coming just like as a text. So this line we need to work now. What you will do, you will write call a variable city array equal to you have a function called JSON.parse. The function name is called JSON.parse. What it do? It convert from JSON to array because the data is coming as of now. It is in JSON format. JSON to array. JSON to array. Then below you will get the, now try printing the length of city array. city array dot length. City array dot length. Check now. Length is showing. How many? Depend. 4, 5, 6. How many record you have added? That many length should appear. For me, saying as a 4. So maybe 4 city I have added. Now again, you got the data in the form of array. Fetch method was also able to read that and convert into array. Now this Ajax method also read the data, and using JSON parse we are able to convert into array, and that is under the city array. We have to run again here map function. Okay. One more function is there. You should be aware of that also. That is called for each. So let's write a variable here. Data equal to empty. Write for each. For each also work like is a map itself. It should be city array dot for each. 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 Inside again city comma index. City comma index. Now city array, what is bringing, what are the property value, we don't know. You know what properties are under the city? We don't know, right? So first we should do console.log so that we'll come to know what is coming in city array. What are the property and values are coming. So console.log city array. Console.log do the city array. After doing console.log, it will print in console, then we'll come to know what properties are coming. What are the properties are coming? Okay, got it. Check in console. Right click inspect element. Go to console. And in console, after going to the console, click on this. You will come to know what is the property. ID and city name. ID and city name. Property name is ID and city name. So when you are going to print, you have to print the city name and you have to print the ID. Okay. So whenever the data come from the backend, if you don't know what are the properties are inside, then you will do console.log. You will come to know which is the property that you need to print in. So we got idea which property is coming, ID and city name. Go here now. Write again data plus equal to division class equal to my user, close the div, data plus equal to close the div. Okay, come down. Div class equal to my user. Again, you write data plus equal to, open the p tag, print here city.id. City.id, close the p tag again. Data plus equal to paragraph. Right here city name plus close the p tag. Now once this for each will get over, once the for each get over, after the for each, you will call again print data function and write inside data variable. And check once, it should print the okay, save now. Let's check again. List of city, list of users. Printing list of city. Okay, now we need to work on one more point. These two are coming. Okay, plus contact, and this three was a static page, and these two become as a dynamic page. Okay. Now in the same JSON server, you have one more here called proc list, right? So create one more link here for JSON3 and read the data from proc list and display in the same format here. Possible? Okay, try. So create one more link here called JSON parsing 3. And after that, on the click of that, read the data from this URL, product list. How you are reading from the user list and city list. Similar way, read from the product list and display in the next page. Try quickly. Not coming. Which one? Which one undefined? Check the variable spelling, capital, small. Ajax method. Use Ajax method. Okay. Try. Error. Show me, no, already. Not working. What is written? Which class you wrote there? Open that. Division is not closed. Division is not closed in the last. Take note. Okay, so hope it's work now for all. We'll go next now. What you printed? Show me your server. City list. Run for city list directly. Local host. 1, 2, 3, 4 / city list. What is the property name there? Name. Come to the code. You have to start the server again, then it will happen. But only one is going there. Why? Go to the CMD. Stop and start again. Control C. Again start. Start it. Start the server. From here. How to start the server? Code लिख नहीं सकते हो आप? क्यों? क्यों नहीं याद होगा? कंपनी वाला का थोड़ी बोलेगा पूरा नक्शा लेके चलिए। refresh that, no, refresh that second tab, दूसरा वाला tab refresh करो। अरे भाई रिफ्रेश करो इसको रिफ्रेश करो। हाँ ठीक है, वो दूसरा है, आप कहीं और से रन कर रहा है, मॉडिफाई कहीं और किया आप। ओके समझे, वो है। ये कहाँ पे है, मूव द माउस हियर, it is in the API folder and you are calling from where, JSON server folder. Open the JSON server folder. File, add folder to workspace. Cancel it. Go to file menu. Add folder to workspace. Add folder to workspace. Select that. Select the JSON server. Go there is one file, JSON. See what you have written here. Name is there, Surat. Save it. Save now. Go to browser now. Run that page, another page. Coming. File was somewhere else. Modification you did somewhere else. File was somewhere else. Modification you did somewhere else because of that. Okay. What is your problem? What is not coming? Use this function. On click, which function you are calling? Where? Where is JSON 3 function? Function where you have written? Where is what JSON 3? On the page, right click. You checked in right click. Why not check? First check there, after clicking right click. Go to console. Refresh the page. Click on JSON 3. Function is not calling. Click again. Function is not calling. Okay. Go to the HTML code again. Where is that? On click equal to JSON 3. Copy that. Go to that ajax.js file. Paste it. Check again. Replace. Click properly. Again go there in the function. Write alert after data. Inside the function write alert. Alert high. I will come in double quote. I will come in double quote. Save now, check there. Alert is calling, right? Go to the code again. What you have written there? Product array dot length is printing. Go here. Your JSON server is running. That is not the JSON server. It is stopped. Why two times CMD have opened? So close this. Go that CMD. Stop again. Again start. Okay. Now copy that product list URL. Come to browser. Browser. Open a new tab. New tab. Paste there. Enter. This is working. Okay. Now go there again. First tab. Refresh the page. Clear from here everything. It's clear. Okay. Now click again on that link. Do okay. Now go to your code. So what you have written is data is plus equal to division class something, again data plus equal to division product ID, again next data plus equal to paragraph product dot name e close, again data equal to product dot. Other functions are working into the browser. Okay, go to the code again. In that length is also not printing. That length is not printing. So what we have made is localhost http://localhost. Let's change this URL. Paste, replace it. We have already copied. Delete that. Paste again. Remove a space. Product product JSON.parse this dot response response text. Print data PRINTDATA you are sending inside. Okay, to the console.log here. Put one more alert. After this, enter alert data DATA. Save it. Okay. Second alert not can. Okay, go to the code. For each what you have written. Product array. This console.log is not coming as alert. Okay, response.text JSON.parse. Product diary dot length was coming as the alert. This alert was coming. Product array dot length response dot json dot parse. JSON dot parse product array, then after that for each, then data plus equal to p class equal to this much, my user p open close everywhere, db open close. Not doing anything with the console or anything. Product array dot length. You have made some mistake here. Not published. But here, this function open here, this is closed here. Can you see this function open and close here? It's okay. That you wrote manually. This code you wrote manually. Don't do much R&D, no, because that code, if you try also you can't write. Now this will blend here. We will last. Error is not there. Without error, you are struggling because your R&D Okay, so check now, working. And now I'll give you some homework. Homework should be like this. Okay. There will be 4 files. One is called user.json, book.json, company.json, and then emp.json. Okay. Now you can see this data you are reading. This data you are reading from one JSON file. This all you are reading how many JSON file? Only one. No? You are reading from one JSON file. So what we will do is you will create 4 JSON file. User, book, company, and emp. User store the user list, book store book list, company store company list, emp store the emp list. Okay. And this 4 file you will keep here only. You will keep under this folder. There is that folder. You will keep under this folder.
अरे तो शाम में बनेगा ना?
This folder here you will keep. Okay, 4 file you will keep here. So at a time, how many server you have to start? 4 server. 4 number.
सब्जी खा लेंगे अभी.
4 time first file. Port number 222. Second file. Port number 333. Third file. Port number 444. Which file? 4 file. Not understood. See what I'm trying to say as of now. This server data.json file is running on port number 1234. Like how many files you have? 4 files. 4 files you have. So in that first file, what is that? User.json. User.json. You will compile on port number like this. Then what will be next file? Book. Book you will compile again on book again you will compile on this port number, this one 2222, right? So how many CMD will open? 4 CMD, and each CMD will be pointing to different port number. You will have one file, inside 4 button will be there. One button click, it will call the get user from where? Localhost colon 123, sorry, localhost colon 11111 / user list. It will give all the users. Second button, once you click, it will call another URL, localhost colon 22222 / book list. It will give the book data. Understood, no? So that way, total 4 CMD will run together and 4 URL will be there. All 4 will work on different port number, and you will read the data from there and display. Button I have not created here. There will be button. Before every block, there will be a button. Click on that, data will come. Click on that, data will come. Click on that, data will come. Click on that. And each block will have their own data, right? User list block, user data. So first to create 4 block, 4 division, give ID, div1, block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. After that, before each block, one button will be there. So button click, one function will call. That function will call the particular URL, get the data and display under the particular block one. Okay, button 2 click, request will go to the second URL where data will come and display under the block 2. 1 hour, 2 hour R&D you have to do, then it will happen. Okay, so try that. take the photo of this. You can try and, or I will send you in a group.
So it's not like that.
My name. Okay, so I sent in your group.